Hello again everybody, back with another video. This time I'm looking back to the archives of early space exploration because if you want to find fakery, that's a blooming good place to start. So this video I'm going to look at the Gemini 4 mission where Ed White from NASA made the first American fake spacewalk. So I will talk over some of this, but it speaks for itself to some extent.
History will record that Command Pilot McDivitt opened the hatch.
That's
at
a very
after 3 o'clock
curved
on the
planet there,
Pilot White
masses
had
of
opened up a new
curvature.
frontier for Americans to explore.
Tell him we're ready to have him get out when he is. Okay, we've got
So here we go.
Affirmative.
Notice that the clouds are moving from right to left.
Getting my feet out. I think I'm dragging a little bit, so I
And
don't want
Ed
to fire the
White
gun.
goes on his fake spacewalk.
Okay, I'm out.
All will become clear soon. So, just to give you an example of the curvature, I've taken that curvature there and I've made a circle out of it. You can see it's an enormous amount of curvature. The mission details: 4 days, 2 hours in a tin can. Elliptical orbit by 102 by 180 miles, average speed 17,700 miles per hour. What a load of crap. Angle down to the horizon between 13 and 18 degrees if you're looking from the horizontal down. Distance to the horizon 900 miles to 1240 miles. An average of 1070, which is about 4.3% of a ball Earth circumference. So that makes a mockery. And as we can see, the spaceship is travelling from left to right and the clouds are going from right to left, but as I say, a ridiculous amount of curvature. But let's continue with the video.
Okay, put a little roll in, take it right out.
The clouds still move in from right to left.
In your deep, Jimbo? Don't sweat it, I'll come over to you. I'm under my own control.
Moving from bottom to top now, but you can see the nose of the spaceship still pointing in the same direction. And now he's towards the front of the spacecraft. The spacecraft hasn't moved, but the clouds are moving from left to right. So as the spacecraft reversed its speed by changing by 35,000 miles per hour, and here you can actually see that he's by the front of the spaceship. You can see the exact place he is. He's in front of his colleague's window, and his colleague is supposedly filming him, but the clouds have reversed position or direction, which means the spacecraft has reversed direction. So pure fakery here. As you can see, what a cramped little capsule that is to spend 4 days in. They didn't actually, because it's fake, and this is just showing you where he is. He's come out of the door, as you can see on the far side, and his colleague is allegedly filming him through that window as he's come round the front of the spaceship, and you can see those I don't know if they're meant to be thruster holes or what by his foot, but that's where he's meant to be. So clouds still moving from left to right. Remember at the start they were going from right to left. So here's a little diagram. So, but not only are the clouds moving the opposite way, they are actually completely different in structure, from light cloud and blue earth to complete cloud cover. So clearly a lot of fakery going on. So you can actually see the window there, so that's exactly where he's meant to be, where I showed before. Oh, now we've gone back to the original cloud structure there, and then we're moving again from right to left. So spaceship's done another about turn, changed its velocity by 35 plus 1,000 miles per hour. So, and God, what on earth have we got there? Different clouds again, and there's the front of the spaceship, as you can see. There's the horizon, very, very curved, so blooming curved. It's amazing. Look, and the clouds are moving, not from right to left like they were at the start, but from left to right. So if you wanted any proof of fakery, this one's about the best one there is. I mean, look at that curvature. I remember a little program when I was a child called the Clangers. This tiny little planet. There it is, look, and the Clangers lived on it. That looks about the size of that Earth there. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. It's almost... I'm sorry, but I just have to laugh at this. It's so funny. But just in case you missed that change in direction, I think I'll play the start bit of video and the last bit, and there you can see top left, you can see the clouds are moving from right to left. And there's the horizon, there's the front of the spaceship, and on the bottom right, they're moving from left to right. And there's the guy out there. So clearly that spaceship's got a massive motor on, and it's turned itself around and blasted its way the other way. Blooming clever they were back in 1965. So, complete fakery. And how can two guys live in that thing? They've got the sun beating down on them, no cooling, they've no no movement. They must be absolutely crammed in like sardines, and they've got a crap in there, and they've got a piss in there, and 4 days, no, they'd go mad. But clearly they weren't there. It was all faked, just like the spacewalk, and just like every latest NASA mission in the ISS. It's faked, but it's faked better than it used to be. So that's all I've got to say for now. So thanks for watching, thanks for listening, goodbye.